Welcome to my channel STEPAhead with a new video. How to lose weight on the oatmeal diet. The most effective diet plan on the planet. What if I told you that you can lose weight, a lot of weight, with the oatmeal diet? Would you believe me? And what if I told you that all you must do is to eat oatmeal for 7 days? In this video we will share with you the secret to losing a lot of weight safely in a short amount of time without starving yourself. There were 2 charts in this video. The first chart will show you the daily oatmeal plan, and the second chart will show you how many calories you should consume daily from your meal. The secret to this oatmeal plan is that you will stay on the meal plan for 7 days, then go back to a regular but healthy meal plan for 14 days before going back again to your 7-day oatmeal diet. We will also share with you why this diet plan is so incredibly effective and why you should not exceed the 7-day plan at a time. Please see the end of the video for a word of caution. The oatmeal diet is possibly the easiest, most straightforward weight loss plan on the planet. It involves replacing your regular meals with oatmeal. That way you don't need to think about counting calories. You don't even need to worry about starving while trying to lose weight, because oatmeal is incredibly filling. Here is how to do it. For 7 consecutive days, eat 1/2 cup of rolled oats cooked in water. Don't add any sweeteners like sugar or honey. However, you may add up to 1/2 cup of skim milk in between meals. You may snack on fruits or vegetables and drink as much water as you need. A sample day would look like this: 7 a.m. 1/2 cup of oatmeal and 1/2 cup of skim milk. 9 a.m. 1 medium apple. At 12 noon, 1/2 cup of oatmeal with 1/2 cup of skim milk. 3 p.m. 1 medium banana, and at 7 p.m. 1/2 cup of oatmeal again with 1/2 cup of skim milk. Why it works? The number 1 reason this diet plan works so well is because you only consume about 500 calories daily in DIF. You snack on lots of fruits and veggies. Your daily calorie intake should not exceed 700 calories. And this is why this oatmeal plan is so effective. Whole oats are very nutritious, and it makes you feel full in exchange for relatively few calories. The reason why the oatmeal diet works is because it limits your daily calories without having you go through the guesswork of computing calories yourself, plus because it makes you feel fuller for longer. You won't feel like you're starving as you usually would in other calorie restrictive diets. 1/2 cup of oatmeal contains only 83 calories. Even if you and 1/2 cup of skim milk, that would only involve an additional 42 calories. In total, each of your meals will contain only 125 calories, and yet you'll feel sated enough to last until your snack or next meal in the same day. Above, you'll only consume less than 500 calories for the entire day. Here's the breakdown. At 7 a.m., your 1/2 cup of oatmeal and skim milk is 125 calories. At 9 a.m., the medium apple contains 50 calories. Your oatmeal and skim milk at noon is another 125 calories. The medium banana at 3 p.m. is 52.5 calories. And again at 7 p.m. for dinner, 1/2 cup of oatmeal and 1/2 cup of skim milk is another 125 calories. The total caloric intake for the day is 477.5 calories according to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. The average sedentary adult female needs to consume 1,600 calories per day, while their male counterparts should consume 2,000 calories per day. That's the total calories you need to consume to maintain your weight. To lose weight, you need to consume fewer calories than what your body requires. The oatmeal diet gives you much less than the calories you need per day. That's why it is incredibly Effective for as long as you stick with the same plan for 7 days. You should be able to lose a significant amount of weight if you ever feel hungry. In between meals you can snack on more fruits and vegetables. There's enough allowance remaining in your daily calorie consumption to add a few healthy, low-calorie snacks. A word of caution: while loads are remarkably nutritious, limiting yourself to the same meal over and over again could keep you from consuming all the nutrients that your body needs. You need protein and other healthy nutrients. That is why you should not exceed 7 days at a time with the Oatmeal Diet Plus, because the Oatmeal Diet is extremely restrictive in calories. It shouldn't be done for long periods. Stick with the recommended 7 days to boost your weight loss efforts, and then go back to a regular but healthy diet for 14 days before going back to another 7-day oatmeal plan. Do this only as needed. Once you feel that you have lost the amount of weight you need to lose, you should stop. Here are a few study references. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following: new subscribers, click on the bell